We'll turn on the steam valve to begin the foaming and adjust on the other valve for the foaming time. Here we've got the milk. Foam is going into the glass. We're done with the foaming. Now Maggie will add coffee to the foamed milk. We've had that great cup of coffee now, and we'll show you the processes of cleaning the machine. First is the daily cleaning. Maggie will press rinse. This clears the lines and cleans out the machine. Now she'll remove this bottom drawer and take out the tray that holds the used coffee grounds and throw them away. The second cleaning process takes place after 200 cups. First, Maggie will put in some tablets in the little door at the top of the machine. Then she will press the rinse key and hold it down for 3 seconds. This will begin the cleaning process. This process takes about 30 minutes. So she will want to put a big cup under the spout to gather the water that is accumulated during the process. The third